Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday, bite-sized professional learning you can implement right away. Today, we are talking about teacher pages in Clever. Let's take a look at how Clever teacher pages work. When you log into your Clever account, you will land on your homeroom, which shows your teacher pages, resources that you have favorited, and any resources added by you. Teacher pages are your own personal place to organize and share digital resources with your students. Teacher pages can be shared with all of your students, shared with a specific class or multiple classes, or kept private so only you can see them. To access your teacher page, you can simply click on it. When you click on your teacher page, you can adjust the name of the page by clicking right next to the title of it, and it will allow 35 characters. On the left menu here, you can see who your page is shared with. In this case, this page has not been shared with any students or teachers. If you want to share your page, you can click Share My Teacher Page. It will give you the option to share your page with all the students you teach, one or more classes, or keep it for only you, which means it is private. You can also share your page with other teachers here. Teachers will be able to view but not edit your teacher page. If your page has been shared, on the left menu, you will see who it is shared with. Usually this is a list of your current students. You can also manage who your page is shared with by clicking on the Sharing Permissions button. Here you see the same options and you can adjust who the page is shared with. You can also use login tools to launch an app for all of your students at once, or log all of your students out of Clever at once. This is especially helpful for the beginning of class to get everyone started immediately in the app that you want them in, or the end of class to make sure everyone is logged out of Clever. I know our younger grade level teachers will love this feature. When you're on your teacher page, you can click the Add and Share button in the bottom right corner. In this location, you can add categories, PDFs, links, applications, or you can also click that Share Page option here. You can see here on this teacher page that it is organized by favorite applications, ELA applications, and web links. You can create as many categories as you want, but I would not suggest too many categories because that will mean a lot of scrolling for your students. You can always add or delete things from your teacher page as your needs change. If you want to add an application, click that Add and Share button and click the App option. Then in the search bar, you can type the name of the app that you're looking for. For example, I want my students to be able to get to the McGraw-Hill textbook application. So if I just simply start to type McGraw-Hill, I'm going to see that application show up. Then it will, once I click on it, it's going to allow me to add that McGraw-Hill app. When I add it, it created a new category for me. And you can see here it's called Newly Added. But I want to move that McGraw-Hill app to the ELA section. And then I don't want that newly added category anymore. So I can click that X and it will get rid of that category. It's going to ask you to make sure. Now you can see here that I already added that McGraw-Hill app and I don't need it on here twice. So if I want to get rid of it, I can click the three dots in the top right corner and click Edit. Over here, I could switch the category, or I can remove this icon from my teacher page. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Click Remove Icon, and it is now removed. If, when you go to the app You type in something and it does not show the application, that could mean that the application may not exist within the Clever platform, or it may not be approved for use in our district or in your school. By clicking the Add and Share button, you can also add PDFs and links that you want students to be able to access, like I have here, Kahoot. Your teacher page is a great way to organize digital resources you want your students to use and have access to. If you want to learn more about using Clever, you can visit your media specialist, visit clever.academy for additional training, and check out future Tech Tip Tuesday videos. Thanks for coming to Tech Tip Tuesday, where learning is the goal and technology is the tool. Get out there and try something new today.